Today, we will see how to add or change the logo on your Shopify store. First of all, go to your Shopify store and open the dashboard. Once you're there, from the left side, click on Online Store. Within a few moments, this will take you to the Themes page. From there, find the theme you want to customize and click on Edit Theme, which will take you to the Theme Editor page. Now, here you can customize your theme according to your requirements. To change or add a new logo, head over to the left side and click on the gear icon. A new menu will appear with a list of options. The first option you'll see is Logo and Favicon. Click on it, and here you will see different logo options like Default Logo, Inverse Logo, and Favicon. First, click on Select under the Default Logo option. A new window will appear on the screen that allows you to upload an image from your computer or choose one from the files you've already uploaded. Once you've selected it, click Done to add it, and you'll see the logo appear in the theme preview. If your theme uses a transparent header, you'll also need an inverse logo. Simply click on Select under the Inverse Logo option, upload or choose the logo that you want to add, and again, click Done to apply it. You'll see the new logo appear on the transparent header. Next, let's update the favicon. The Shopify logo that you see in the Browser tab is called a favicon. If you want to replace it with your own logo, click on Select under the favicon option, and from this window, choose the image that you want to upload. Then click Done to apply it. This will replace the default Shopify icon. Once you've made all these changes, click on Save at the top right to apply them. Now, let's preview the store. You'll see the new logo with a transparent header or with a header background, depending on your theme settings. Also, the store favicon has been successfully replaced. And that's it. This is how you can add or change the logo on your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.